So let's have a look at another case from Spigen. This is the rugged armor, and it has mag fit as well. I think I do like this one as well. Let's have a look. So armor, or what's that, air cushion technology. That's the mag safe area. Oh, I like this. Good grip. Everything is covered. You have this nice fiber look, Spigen logo in there, and that's pretty much it. Let's just see if we put this in, how nice it looks like. Ooh, this is nice as well. So it's raised all over the screen, just a little bit, enough to protect it, and I think in here it's a bit more raised towards the end. Buttons are nicely covered, really nice grip. All the cutouts done nicely. As you can see, if it falls down like that, this bit will take the impact. But if it goes a bit more in this corner, this will get scratched. I've seen this in all the cases, it's like that, unfortunately. But yeah, really nice finish, MagSafe as well. And then you can see that's raised a little bit, so pretty nice case actually. Let's see how easy it is to remove. Spigen, they're on the market for quite a while, they know what they are doing.